What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Simba from The Lion King. For today's lesson I'll be drawing with a Sharpie fine point marker. I got some plain white paper and something to color with. I'll leave a full list of all my art supplies with links in the description below. Now I want to begin today's lesson in the center page at the top edge of the nose. So let's start right in the middle with a point. Now from this point we're just going to bend this up and then out towards the left, towards the outside of the nose. Go back to the center, go up and then out towards the right. From the outside, let's bend the bottom of the nose coming down and then in towards the center. And it's out and then up. Now along the bottom edge on either side, we're going to draw a small oval going up and then down for the nostrils. From the side of the nose, let's add a fold. We're going to go up and then bend that in. Now from the top, we're going to step down, draw a short angle line going up towards the eyes. And we'll draw a curve going across and then up. Let's add that fold underneath the eyes. Starting back on the left, we'll come down and then bend that up on the inside point. Let's go back to the inside. We're going to draw the top of the eye. We're going to go up, so we're going to round this out and just pull that down just on the inside of that outside point. Same thing on the right, going up towards the same height, come down, and then bend that in. And then from here, we pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. Let's start from the top left, curve around, down, and then in towards the bottom, almost like drawing a circle. Now I want to trace the iris along the inside, so we're going to step down, go all the way around, then in towards the bottom. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of the pupils. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black, going around that highlight. Now I want to go back and add some thickness to the top of the eyelid. So we're going to start from the outside, we're going to go up higher in the middle, and then taper that back down on the inside. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyelid. Now we're going to go to that outside point, we're going to draw the top of the brow. We'll go all the way up toward the top, round this out, and then pull that down on the inside of the eyes. Let's place the eyebrow on top of that fold. We're going to start on the left, bend this up, and then out towards the top. Now I want to add a point. Just point this in and down, go around and then down towards the side. Add a small point. I'm just going to taper this down towards the side of the brow. Let's go back and just fill in the inside of the eyebrows. Let's go back to the side of the nose. We're going to add a fold. We're going to come down and then out along the side. Let's go to the center of the nose, draw a short line coming down towards the mouth. And then from here we're going to curve the mouth, going out and then down. Let's round up the side of the muzzle, going around, and just pull that up underneath that fold. Now I'm going to tuck the chin in underneath. We're going to start from the side, then it's in and then down on either side towards the chin. And we're going to add some fur across the bottom. On the left, come down and in, bring that back up. Now I'm going to work our way across towards the right, coming down a little bit lower in the middle, and go back up. And we'll curve this all the way across and up towards the right side of the chin. Now let's go back up and draw on the cheeks. From the outside corner of the eye, let's step out, then this down, and then out. Then we're going to add some fur across the cheek. Let's pull this back in with a short line. I'm just going to curve this around and then down. Now we're going to draw the bottom of the jaw. Just go back to the left side, goes down and in. Now as you get towards the chin, we're just going to bend that back down. Now we're going to draw the inside edge of the ears. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend this out and then up towards the side. Let's round out the top of the ear, coming around and then down towards the outside. And then from here, it's going to curve the ear, coming all the way around, come down, and just bend that up towards the side of the head. Let's add a fold along the inside, starting from the top, and curve this around, and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's draw the outside of the ear, starting from the top, we go up, then this down, and then in towards the side. Now you want to curve the top of the head, adding some hair along the center. Let's start on the left side of the ear, step down to create an overlap, and it's up, go across, and then in towards the middle. And then we're going to add that hair. Let's start by bending this out and then up, then this back down. Now the second curl, we're going to go out and then down, and bend that back in. Let's add a few more curling around towards the center of the head. Out and down, and it's in, and we'll add one smaller one across the bottom. Now you want to continue the curve of the head in behind the hair over on the right, going across, and then down, just overlapping the ear. Now we're going to add 4 sets of whiskers on either side. Let's start on the left of the muzzle, and it's up, and then out. I'm just going to line that up on the right. Now it's going to work our way down along the side of the muzzle, bending these down a little bit further on the end. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Simba from The Lion King. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies we used, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.